Hi everyone and welcome to Flick Football. My name is Jack and joining me today is a very special guest. We've got Paul. Hi Paul. And
Hi everyone.
His lovely bow tie. How you doing, Paul?
Yeah, good, and yourself?
Oh, always good, my friend. I'm going to be teaching you how to do some flick footballs.
Fantastic.
As a little demonstration, we've got our little triangle of paper. I'm terrible at flicking this, which is awesome for a demonstration. Oh, that went alright actually. Hopefully that came across in camera. That went alright. So we've each got a piece of regular A4 paper. I find the line ones are a bit easier because they're thinner, but really whatever you've got is easiest. Follow along with me. First, we're going to fold across like that. Fold it in half as best as you can. Lovely. Try and get it as even as you can. Keep it flat, keep it creased. Lovely. And then I hope you enjoyed that part because we're going to do it again. Fold it nice in half again. Paul's doing the clever thing and using the table. I'm not.
Alright, I got that.
Good stuff. You
One fold,
two folds.
two folds.
Beautiful stuff. Next, we're going to fold the other way. In half again, like so.
Okay.
Lovely. Make sure it's nice and creased, nice and flat. Ooh. The flatter it is, the easier it's going to be to fold later. Alright, so we're going to undo that. So we've got our nice fold, which you can see. This is the tricky part. We are going to take this bottom half and fold it sideways. So much like a triangle, like that, and try and line up that with the crease as much as you can, and fold that triangle bit there.
Like this.
Exactly like that, perfection. Good stuff, so it should be looking like that now. Alright, we're going to take this top half and we're just going to fold it down.
Just down.
You've already got the crease in there, so it shouldn't be too hard. Down like that, exactly it. Alright. So, if we hold it like that, yep, you've already got it like that, a big reverse L. We are going to take this top half and fold it down and around. So flip it over, take that extra bit of paper there, and fold it around.
Okay, I think I got it.
Beautiful stuff. Alright. Now we're going to take this other piece,
Hold on.
the other end, and we're going to fold it behind this time. Like that. So hang on, let's do it again. So we've got it like that.
Yeah.
I'm going to fold it behind.
So like this, fold behind.
Fold behind, perfection.
Okay.
And much like we did, we've got that extra bit of paper there. Fold that in.
Alrighty.
Beautiful stuff. So, I don't know if you can see this on the camera, hopefully you can. There's a nice little pocket there, just like that. So we're going to take this extra bit of paper and just tuck it in the pocket.
Tuck it in the pocket. There we go.
So now you've got a nice rectangle with two folds up the top here. So we're going to take that little fold this time, push it down, nice and flat, and we're going to do the same thing we did last time, but with a square this time, and we're going to tuck it in.
Tuck in. There we go. Alright, it's made a square.
Exactly, with a nice, everyone's favourite little pocket there. Do you have any guesses what we have to do next, Paul? We've got our nice pocket.
Tuck something in.
I reckon we're going to tuck something in. So we're going to fold this into a triangle, a nice triangle shape,
Yeah.
because that'll make it easier. Lovely. So we've got that nice, if we unfold it, bendy bit, and this might be the tricky part, especially if you've got some thick paper, we are going to tuck that in. And that, this is the tricky, if you have to ask your adult to help you out here, that is more than fine, because this can be quite tricky to tuck in.
Okay.
Beautiful, but Paul's done immediately. His actually looks 10 times better than mine, and I'm a little jealous.
Oh, thank you. Beginner's luck.
Beginner's luck, yeah. We'll call it that. And that's done. Then we have our nice little flick footballs that there's a few ways to do it. You can do it either face down like that. Or that's not super good. The other way around even, like that, and we can flick it. Oh, that was excellent. I like it that way. We've swapped one. Oh, damn it, you noticed. I was hoping that I could steal Paul's, but that's okay. The other way is like a triangle face up like that. Try and angle it back as best you can and flick. Oh, that was an excellent shot.
Proud of myself.
Good thing we have this extra one here, because next we're going to make, if we grab one each, our goals. You can make a goal pretty much however you want. If you want to take your, this thing, what's this thing called again?
Pipe cleaner.
Pipe cleaner, thank you. I definitely didn't forget, I was just passing to you as a co-host.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
I think the best way for me is to make it into a spiral shape like so. Similar, as flat as you can.
It's a bit tricky.
It's very hard, and it might like to fall over, but nailed that. Absolutely nailed that. Good luck, Paul.
Yeah, let's see if I get beginner's luck again.
Oh, beginner's luck again. I call that the spiral technique. That is my favourite way to do it. But really, experiment on your own. See if you can figure out how to make some goals. And do you reckon you can get it in the? Do you reckon you can shoot it in?
Let's see.
Oh, that was perfection. Well done, Paul. Thank you
Thank
for
you
joining.
so much.
I think that'll be. I think that's it for this video. Thank you all for joining. Thank you again, Paul, for joining.
Thank you, and thank you.
We hope you have a lovely rest of your day. We'll see you later.